Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger faster. First, conduct a thorough vehicle inspection to identify any underlying issues. Next, ensure your tires are correctly inflated. This simple step can significantly improve acceleration and handling. Consider upgrading to a high-flow air filter, which allows your engine to breathe more easily, potentially adding a few horsepower. Finally, always use the recommended octane fuel for your Charger to maximize its power output and maintain engine health. To further enhance your Charger's power, a cold air intake is an excellent next step, providing cooler, denser air for more efficient combustion. Pair this with an aftermarket exhaust system to reduce back pressure and unleash a more aggressive engine note. A custom engine tune, specifically calibrated for your vehicle, can unlock significant horsepower and torque gains by optimizing fuel and ignition. Additionally, a larger throttle body can allow more air into the engine, complementing other intake modifications. Speed isn't just about horsepower. It's also about how effectively you can put that power down and control your vehicle. High-performance tires are crucial for maximizing grip during acceleration and cornering. Upgrading your suspension with stiffer springs and larger sway bars will significantly reduce body roll and improve responsiveness. Don't forget about stopping power. Performance brake pads and rotors offer much shorter stopping distances. Lighter wheels can also reduce unsprung weight, making your Charger feel more nimble. For those seeking substantial power increases, forced induction, such as a supercharger or turbocharger, can add hundreds of horsepower, transforming your Charger into a true beast. Complement this with strategic weight reduction, removing non-essential items to improve your power-to-weight ratio. Remember, consistent maintenance is paramount. Regular oil changes and fluid checks ensure your high-performance machine remains reliable. Always seek professional advice from a trusted performance shop for advanced modifications to ensure safety and optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.